So I got these at Dollar Tree yesterday. Arizona green tea fruit snacks and Arnold Palmer half and half fruit snacks. So I've never tried these before. Well, I tried the drinks before, but I never tried the fruit snacks. So let's try these. There's also Sunny D fruit snacks. Apparently I didn't buy them because I thought I bought them, but apparently I didn't. Saw these on the shelves at Dollar Tree yesterday. They were like tucked in. I'm like, what the heck? So I picked them up because I'm like, I need to try these. I mean, they kind of sort of taste like the drinks a little bit, but they sort of taste like the drinks, but they sort of just taste like a regular fruit snack. I mean, if you would give these to me, and I wouldn't know what they are, I would just think they're regular fruit snacks, because that's what they really taste like to me. I mean, they kind of sort of taste like the drink, but not really. I should have bought a drink, because they do have Arizona products at Dollar Tree, but anyway, on a scale rating 1 to 10, I'd probably give these maybe a 5 out of 10. So, peace.